So how do insights work in business to business? Well, in this very short 2-minute video tutorial, I'm going to explain everything you need to know. So unlike business to consumer, where the end user is the consumer, and that's the only person we need to really concern ourselves with, in business to business, we have a whole series of stakeholders in what we're going to call the stakeholder chain. So how do we create insights when we have a diversity of opinions like that? Well, the first thing we need to do is identify what we're going to call the key stakeholder. This is the person in the chain with the most to gain or the most to lose from our solution. Imagine the stakeholder chain like an earthquake, and the earthquake is going off at the key stakeholder. They're at the epicenter. They feel the pain of the problem most acutely. They are the person who loses sleep about it at night. Conversely, they're the person who will become our biggest advocate within the organization if we can solve the problem, because we're solving their biggest issue. Next, we need to look beyond the key stakeholder up and down the rest of the chain and identify how solving that same problem will create value for all the other stakeholders. Now, the big mistake to avoid is we're not looking for a different problem for every other stakeholder. We're looking at how the same problem being solved could create value for everyone. That's what we call the red thread. The idea that solving the key stakeholders' need creates knock-on value for everybody else in the chain. This video is part of a series of 2-minute tutorial videos on lots of marketing subjects. You can subscribe to see more of them at Match Your Innovation at YouTube, or you can visit my website, matchsure.com.